Today we're diving into the world of taglines and showing you how to use ChatGPT to create catchy, memorable taglines for your business, brand, or project. And with that, let's get started. First, we'll use ChatGPT to help us define our brand description, target audience, and key message. Here's a sample prompt that I put together to get us started. Go. Help me create a brand description, identify the target audience, and define the key message for a eco-friendly fashion brand. And here, ChatGPT will then provide us with detailed answers. So let's see how ChatGPT would do all the magic from there. So here's what ChatGPT had generated. Eco-elegance is the brand name, target audience, 18 to 45-year-old, psychographics, there's the key message from there, and the brand vision and mission. And yeah, there we go. So here's what ChatGPT had fully generated. With this detailed information, we're now ready to use ChatGPT to brainstorm some taglines. Providing clear and concise details helps ChatGPT generate more accurate and creative taglines tailored for your brand's needs. Let's move on to generating taglines. We'll use ChatGPT once again to create catchy taglines tailored to our brand. Here we go. So once again, this is where we left off. Now, here's how you can do it step by step. So we asked ChatGPT to be more detailed for an eco-friendly fashion brand. So our target audience based on ChatGPT were people from 18 to 45 years of age, all genders. They're from middle to upper middle class, and they're primarily urban and suburban areas and environmentally conscious regions. And also the key message right here, it's kind of quite a bit long, but it's not that too long. Like eco-elegance empowers you to make a fashion statement, is crafted from finest eco-friendly materials to ensure you that you look good, feel good, and do good. And here's what I put in my input. Sorry about that. Here we go. Here's what I said, mainly generate 10 catchy taglines for, as I say earlier, eco-friendly fashion brand, targeting demographics from, just like I said it earlier, right here, and the key message, I just copy and pasted that, and like so. So let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work from this. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating several creative taglines. And here we go. So let's take a closer look at some of these results. Here we go. This is Elegance Redefined, Sustainable Style for All. Go eco-chic, where style meets sustainability. Elevate your wardrobe, elevate the world. Wow, they're really creative. So each of these taglines captures the essence of our brand and speaks directly to our target audience. They highlight our commitment to sustainability while remaining catchy and memorable. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now that we have some initial ideas right here, it's time to refine and select the best ones. To help us with this process, we can use ChatGPT, our old buddy once again, to further polish our taglines and ensure they meet our criteria. So let's use ChatGPT once again to refine one of our taglines right here. So we'll take this one. This one got me interested. So here, this is the prompt that I asked initially. It says, refine the tagline, eco-elegance, fashion with purpose, elegance with impact for an eco-friendly fashion brand to make it more impactful. As you can see, based on what ChatGPT had generated, he just refined just one. And here it is, purposeful fashion, lasting impact. However, if you do want to have ChatGPT refine a couple of more, that is, you can just edit your prompt right here. Let's say, here's what I add here. It's the same, and this is what I added right here. Generate a list of refined versions for that tagline. And with this, ChatGPT would possibly generate you a list instead of a single refined tagline. But let's see how ChatGPT would generate from this. As you can see, here we go. ChatGPT provides us with several refined versions. Let's take a look. Here we go. Where purposeful fashion meets impactful elegance, and elegance with purpose, fashion with impact, so on and so forth. Yeah, each refined tagline maintains the original message, but adds a bit more flair and impact. Now we can select the best one by considering our criteria. So let's say, maybe this one got me more. This one I like. Fashion that matters, elegance that inspires. It's really quite catchy, I must say. This tagline not only aligns with our brand message, but also adds a call to action, making it more memorable and emotionally engaging. Feel free to iterate and test different versions using ChatGPT until you find the perfect tagline. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate variations based on specific themes or tones. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to generate catchy taglines for your brand.